Hi traders, it's Roberto. I'm having a difficult time logging on to GoToMeeting. So what I'm going to do is send out this video, and hopefully in a half an hour I'll be able to log on again. We have divergence on several yen pairs right now. First one, Euro Yen. Here's the divergence setup, and it's confirmed on the weekly chart. And it makes sense because we have non-farm payroll numbers coming out which apparently are not going to be very positive. So the yen crosses are selling off, which is the yen is a safe haven for investors. So if we have negative numbers out of non-farm payroll that it will be released on Friday, then, which is anticipated because of the government shutdown, then we should see the yen crosses sell off, and we have divergence on a daily chart, and we're looking for a target of 131.18. The other one is Canadian yen. Here is the descending trend line, bounced off the top and it's heading south. Stochastic still overbought on the daily chart. The other trade is Aussie yen. We have divergence also, and we have market hit a, I believe, 50 or 38% retracement level, 38%, and is selling off. New Zealand yen, same thing. We have, this is a daily chart, and price bouncing off 38% retracement level, and if we throw in MACD, we do have divergence on MACD as well. We also had a trend line break, and there it is. So here's divergence on New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen. Here's the retracement, and this is the retracement finishing, and now the market's heading south. We've got Swiss yen also. We have divergence on the Swiss yen, and the market is it's hitting this trend line, and depending on how you draw the trend line, many traders like to draw the trend line at the body of the candle, and then if that case, price has broken a trend line, I prefer to draw it at the wick to give me a safer entry. So we've got several yen pairs that are selling off. The pound Aussie and the euro Aussie are not doing so well, and here's also the Canadian yen is selling off as well. And we've got, let me look at the other pairs. Pound Australian dollar, it's still stuck up at these levels, and I'm hoping that it breaks, it respects this false break on the weekly chart and turns around and heads south. And the same thing with the euro Aussie, and that would be this one. It's starting to retrace, but on the weekly chart it is overbought, and I'm hoping that it can stay below the, let me just remove all these texts so you can see this. Possibility that it can retrace, but this is a false break on a weekly chart, and I'm hoping the market can come back down to at least the support of 141.35. So that's the analysis. I'm sorry about the webinar. I'll try to get on as soon as I can. Thank you.